Hi guys. Today we are going to see in this video how to properly remove background in a subject and how to do double exposure in a subject. This is a video for beginners. I hope this video will be useful for you. First, place the image in Photoshop and unlock the background. Then click on Select and then click on Select and Mask. Now click on View on the right side and select Onion Skin. Make sure it has 100% transparency. Then click on Select Subject at the top. After a few seconds, the subject will come like this. Now drag down the right side and click Decontaminate Colors under Output Settings and make sure the amount is 100%. Then click on Overlay in View at the top. Image will come like this. Then select the left side Refine Edge Brush tool. Now press Ctrl Z to zoom and drag a little on the subject's hair area. This is what happens when you drag. Do it where necessary. Then click OK. Now it will show you a subject transplant. It can be moved by pressing Ctrl V and selecting the Move tool. In this way, a subject can be removed as a background proper. Now let's see how to do double exposure. Please create a new document for that. Now drag the subject that we have removed the background and place it in the document. Then give Ctrl T and expand as needed, then hit Enter. Now, take another required image. Here the fog tree image is given. Copy it by pressing Ctrl A and press Ctrl C. Then paste it in the document by pressing Ctrl V. Press Ctrl T to expand it and keep it in the required place. Now give screen on right side layer. Image screens will adjust. Then take the brush tool and mask the layer. Now select the mask layer and reduce the opacity above as needed. Is it in left side color black? Make sure that now use the brush tool and make some adjustments where necessary. Then select the mask in the subject on the right side corner layer and hold Alt and right click and drag down. This duplicate image can be rotated. Then you can set it in the desired place. Then you can click on the effect. Let's select Bevel Emboss. There are many options including Stoke and Shadow. Now we need blending options. Click on it and do as follows. Do the same on the next image. Enter required amount and click OK. OK, Guyz should do the same. Now you know how to do basic double exposure image editing. Similarly, you can make a beautiful double exposure image with a different image. If you give the required amount of fluctuation to the required image, you will get a good result. If this video is useful, please like it. Also subscribe to the video in the same way.